Hello everyone, this is my review of the Zexup under-seat vent deflectors for the Toyota Tacoma, and I want to share my honest thoughts. The rear air conditioning vent deflectors help block dust, hair, and snack debris from entering the air conditioning vents, ensuring high-efficiency airflow. Installation was pretty straightforward. They slide right into the vent area under the seat and don't require any tools or complicated instructions. It took just a couple of minutes, and they felt secure once in place. What I really like about these deflectors is how well they manage the airflow. Another plus, the material feels durable. They don't flex weirdly when touched, and they stay put. Overall, if you want a simple way to protect your floor vents from debris entering them, these deflectors are a solid and practical upgrade. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.